Imagine this. Tomorrow morning, you wake up, check your phone, and your bank balance says $1 million. $1 million. No loans, no taxes, it's all yours. What would you do first? Buy your dream Lamborghini? A luxury mansion? Travel around the world? Quit your job forever? Sounds perfect, but here's something most people never realize. Getting rich is easy compared to staying rich. In fact, thousands of people suddenly become millionaires, and just a few years later, they're completely broke. So today, we're answering one simple question. If you had $1 million, what's the smartest move? Because one decision could make you wealthy for life, or leave you with nothing. Let's be honest. Most people dream about spending money, not managing it. The moment they become rich, they start buying expensive cars, luxury watches, huge houses, designer clothes, and vacations that cost more than most people earn in a year. For a few months, life feels incredible. But then, reality arrives. The mansion has property taxes. The supercar needs expensive maintenance. Luxury becomes monthly bills. And those bills never stop. Money isn't disappearing because they're unlucky. It's disappearing because they confused being rich with looking rich. And those are two very different things. Because one decision could make you wealthy for life or leave you with nothing. Chapter 2. Don't spend a dollar yet. Here's what smart millionaires do. Nothing. Seriously. The first move isn't shopping. It's waiting. Take a few weeks. Think carefully. Build a plan. Because emotional decisions create financial disasters. Ask yourself, how can this money change my life? Not just my lifestyle. That's the difference between people who stay wealthy and people who go broke. Chapter 3. Make money work for you. Here's the secret. Money should have a job. Instead of buying things, buy assets. Assets are things that can earn money over time. That might include diversified investments, businesses, real estate, or other long-term income-producing assets. Every dollar should be working, even while you're sleeping. Imagine waking up every morning, not because you need to work, but because your investments keep generating income. That's financial freedom. Rich people don't just own money. They own systems that create more money. Because one decision could make you wealthy for life, or leave you with nothing. Chapter 4. Never depend on one income. Imagine losing your only paycheck. Scary, right? Now imagine having 5 different income streams. If one disappears, the others continue. That's exactly how many wealthy people think. Instead of relying on one source, they build multiple sources of income over time. Financial strength isn't about one giant paycheck. It's about having options. Chapter 5. Protect your wealth. Making money is difficult. Keeping it is even harder. Unexpected events happen. Markets change. Businesses fail. Life is unpredictable. That's why protecting wealth matters just as much as growing it. Good planning, managing risk, keeping an emergency reserve, and avoiding unnecessary debt can make a huge difference over the long run. Now let's go back to the beginning. You wake up tomorrow, and there's $1 million in your account. Would you spend it? Or would you build a future with it? Because $1 million isn't life-changing if your habits never change. Real wealth isn't measured by the car you drive or the house you own. It's measured by how long your money can keep working for you. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to become financially free. So here's a question for you. If someone gave you $1 million today, what's the very first thing you would do? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next $1 million video.